Good morning and welcome to Today on 5 at 11. All those stories we mentioned ahead, but first, there is a storm brewing in the Atlantic, Steve, and it's making its way straight for us. Is now the time to put up those storm shutters?
Yeah, absolutely. The Hurricane Center has issued a hurricane watch, meaning that within the next 48 hours, we could be seeing hurricane conditions. So whenever that watch is issued, that is the trigger where you should go out and have your plan prepared, put up your shutters, make sure you have gas in the car, and make sure you have your hurricane plan in check. Because in the next 48 hours, we're going to start to see those hurricane winds affect us, and obviously the rain could be quite intense with it as well. So let's head on over to the wall, talk about the latest with Subtropical Storm Nicole. As of 11 a.m., winds of 45 miles an hour, moving to the northwest at 9 miles an hour. It is expected to become a tropical storm as we head into the next 1 to 2 days, and then eventually a Category 1 hurricane as it approaches our area. So here's the official track from the National Hurricane Center. As we head into the next few days, it's going to work its way basically due west towards the northern Bahamas, becoming a Category 1 hurricane with winds of 75 miles an hour as we head towards Wednesday evening. Then Wednesday night around midnight, it is making landfall somewhere between Miami and the Space Coast. Then on Thursday, it's working its way across the peninsula, and then it starts to work its way up farther towards the north and towards the east. Now, computer models are still diverging on the final solution. Some models taking it down towards Miami, other models up towards the Space Coast. So there's still a chance that it could shift a little farther to the north or to the south. Now, if it does come in farther to the south, that means we will be in that northeastern quadrant, and that's the strongest part of the storm system. So if we are in that quadrant, we will be dealing with some really nasty weather Wednesday into Thursday. So tropical storm force winds, the probability of seeing those has been up to about 70% along the coast, a little bit less back across Lake Okeechobee. We do have hurricane watches in effect for the Bahamas and for our area as well. The timeline like this: as we head into tomorrow evening, we'll start to see the winds increase and the rain increase too. On Wednesday, we could be dealing with hurricane force winds, especially later Wednesday. Thursday, the storm's moving across the state. Something else we'll have to watch is storm surge. We could see a storm surge of anywhere from 2 to 5 feet.